doesn't sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. On today, we got a little motley crew of things going on, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and join the family by clicking that subscribe button down below, making it turn from red to gray. Don't forget to watch us on any video device, which would be an Amazon show, or a cell phone, or a tablet, or your TV. And don't forget to click that thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below what you're doing today while you're watching this video. I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoy. Thank you.
Let's get it on, we got it going, stand strong. It looks like yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stand strong. It looks like we made it. Wake me from this tree I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, moving on. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. It looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stay strong. It looks like we made it. Yeah, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we. It looks like we made it. It looks like we. Oh, it looks like we made it. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we
loving you madly. Girl, you might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I be here beside you, anything I got you. You no play, all you do is shut down the runway. Looking dangerous like a gunplay. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo. Hey, don't you fall like you no even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Hey, you know like get it. Hey, you know like get it. Body moving, get it. She can do it, get it. Ooh, so wild tonight. Waist beats are in motion round our body. When you do it slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets, your vibe is so divine. Don't you for lying, you no even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Hey, you know like get it. Hey, you know like get it. Body moving, get it. She can do it, get it. Oh yeah.
You have a way, it is hard to get behind those blue eyes. Are you serious? I need to know. I try to stay, I have tried to go, but either way, you're always in control. I need to know if you're just playing. I've been weighing if you're worth my time, or am I fooling myself? You set the bar, you build it up. You start a game that needs devotion. You start the fire that burns me up. Now I need you, yeah, I need your It's 2 a.m., you call me up. Mess with my head, but I don't need more problems. When you insist, I can't resist. You start me up. Look in your eyes, you're always in control. I need to know if you're just playing. I've been weighing if you're worth my time, or am I fooling myself? You set the bar, you build it up. You start a game that needs devotion. You start the fire that burns me up. Now I need you, yeah, I need your
Don't forget to click that subscription box and turn it from red to gray. Thank you for spending your precious time with us, because time is precious. And we will see you on the tube. Peace out, y'all. Thank y'all for being here.